This is gonna be a strange video. Good morning, my friends. I have been indoors since the last time y'all saw me. There is so much smoke in this area. I have a school, actually my junior high school, part of it burned down yesterday and it was on the news, the Whittier Church. There's 2 fires burning in the riverbed. I don't like smoke. I don't like the smell of smoke, cigarettes, cats. I am highly allergic. My eyes burn. I just put my contacts in today. I've been sitting in my room with the air conditioner on. I just have a horrible, horrible, horrible headache. I'm going to my P.O. box. I got some Panda Express for Leo and myself. We're gonna have a nice little lunch. I finished the poncho for the lady from the Green Dollar store. I'm going to give it to her today. I had to shrink in the edges. There you go. She is a petite lady. Oh, this yarn smells so good. There's no fringe. I just did half single crochet all the way around. I have this much left for myself. This is a yarn from Michaels. It's called Colors. That's the colorway, and that is true color right there. I love this colorway. It's too bad that it's so far away. Not every Michael sells it. And luckily, when I was on my birthday dinner activity, there was a Michael's nearby where we were. I believe that the fires in Morgan's area is so close she had to evacuate, or she's ready to evacuate, and I'm so sorry, Morgan, and everybody else that has to evacuate. My mom was telling me that a lot of the horses caught on fire and the goats, and that she's really sad. The chickens, everything is burning up. This is the bad part about living here with the Santa Ana winds, and then the allergies and everything else. And of course we get the earthquakes, so geez, we need some rain. I need a filter on my face and I need to go back inside. I hope everybody's safe. Love you guys very much. Hi, my friends. I just had a wonderful lunch with Leo. She gave me this black raspberry ice drink. I've never had it before and it's quite refreshing. I enjoyed my lunch with her. I went next door to Green Dollar and I gave the lady her poncho and she was so happy. She gave me a big old giant hug. I'm not itching my butt, for those asking. I opened up the fortune cookie. Where's my vision board? Oh, it says, "You are admired by your peers." Because my eyes are out of focus from all the dang smoke, I thought it said you are admired by your peeps. Hello, my friends. I'm not sure what time it is. I came home and I went straight to bed. The smoke is really getting to me. My head is killing me. There was a lot of smoke yesterday. A lot. The church that burned down and then the 2 in the riverbed. My allergies are out of control. I don't even want to be outside with the dogs. Told y'all that smoke. I know when people are smoking cigarettes or cigars, or when there's a cat in the area, freshly cut grass, everything just gets to me really, really, really bad. I had a video to record I wanted to show you guys something, but I cannot concentrate right now. So I'm gonna go get a bag of frozen veggies, stick it on my head. Oh, if anybody has any suggestions for what they do with allergies and stuff, let me know. I do not have central air, so I have to have the window open slightly. I have a fan, and that's all. Oh, okay, my friends, I just wanted to update you because I got some emails of where are you? I'll try and come back tomorrow. Bye-bye.